Hello everyone, welcome to 3D networking. So in this tutorial I'm going to explain how you can create a glass effect in Microsoft Visio. So without any further waiting, we'll start. Let's take a rectangle and I'd like to mention here, so you have to have at least Microsoft Visio version 2013, not before that, in order to create a 3D effect. Now we will go to effects, 3D rotation. Here we can select any options from parallel. Let's see, I select this one, isometric left down. Now it's changed to 3D style. I will go further in more options. Here we have two options, effects and fill and line. So let's work with the effects first. From here you can select 3D format. Now we will select top bevel effect, so you can choose anyone. I will check I will take this one, round. And color, you can choose any. So since I already have, in this diagram you can see that there are a couple of glass effect wall already created, so I will choose this one. Okay, so now we have material and lighting effect. So in material, it depends, you can choose any, but for example for this tutorial I'm going to check this one, which is basically warm matte. Okay, so and for the lighting I will choose the cool one, freezing. Now here what we need to do, we need to increase the depth. So here we have depth 6 points, will increase. Let's say I will make it 30. Okay, now if you see, if you compare with the other one, let's take this one. So this one has a round edges. So how we can do that, we'll go to fill and line. First I will remove the line, I don't need the line, so I will remove it. Or before that what we can do, we can change it to round effect, then we will disable the line. So it depends how much round shape you want, you just select based on your requirement. So now my edges are round. Now I come down to no line. Now you can see it's changed. Okay, so come back down to, or even go before to our effect. Let's do something else. Increase, I will choose the gradient and I choose linear gradient. Here are my colors, I can change if I want. Transparency, you can adjust the transparency for the each color. For example, the right one, if you increase or decrease, you can see the effect. So now it's giving you the glass effect from here by choosing the transparency. Let's select the other option, other color, because it's a gradient, so you need to work with the two colors. You can even change the color. Like for example, if I make it blue, it will make it blue. So just get back to the original one. I can increase or decrease the transparency, which will eventually give us the glass effect. Now just to have the finishing touch, we can go back to effects, and here you can see the lighting option. If you change the angle, you will see the difference. It depends how you want. So just you can select the angle based on your requirement. So let's see, that looks better for me. Okay, so I will take this aside and keep my new glass wall. To increase the height, I can just a little bit stretch. Okay, so it's almost done. Now you can see, so this object is on the front. Now you can see the difference. It's created a wonderful glass effect. If I want to control the transparency level, I can control it from the fill area, this one. So if I want a little bit more solid, so I can just select the transparency level. This one is 0. If I make it 0, the other one will not have any transparency. I'll show you. See, the transparency is gone. So from here, since it's a gradient fill, so as I mentioned, you need to work with the both colors options. So for example, I can set the transparency 40%. That's it. So this is how you can create a glass effect in Microsoft Visio. So this is a very recent template we have uploaded. You can check it out on our website 3dnetworking.com. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.